This is an ad that I found for Shoe Mart, and it's from the Happy Feet, Happy People campaign from the spring and summer of 2012, promoting shoes that are comfortable and will make your feet happy. Let's take some time to review the original ad. As we look at the original ad and the typography that it has, we see that there's that happy feet will make happy people in that free-flowing script. And if you look, it kind of helps you to have the overall happy, relaxed feeling of the ad. And then you also have the sans serif script in the Shoe Mart and also the spring and summer 2012. As we look at the photography, we see that it's muted. The colors are muted, and it has scenes of nature and people that are happy inside the large shoe. And it gives just kind of a calm, happy feeling overall, because there's nothing that screams out at you. Everything kind of blends together beautifully. This is, as we look at the layout of the ad, you see the large shoe. You also see the happy person inside the shoe, and you see how the placement of the logo and all the other things are not competing. They're in the negative space. They're by themselves. They have a nice, strong, they have a strong presence because of that, but they also have a calming presence because of that. Let's take a minute to review the new ad. This is the new ad, and as you look at the typography of the new ad, again, the logo and the spring summer 2012 are placed in the negative space, along with the happy feet will make happy people. That still has the same free-flowing feel of the other font that was in the original ad, and it looks similar to it. Okay, let's look at the photography. In the photography, you're going to see the same beautiful, similar beautiful landscape with a calm, muted colors that it makes it easy. Plus, it has a nice, comfortable shoe with the happy person jumping out of the shoe in this case instead of just sitting in it. As we look at the consistencies that were in both ads, you can see there's still the large shoe, there's still the logo, there is the spring summer 2012. You have the same beautiful flowing script for the typography. The colors are still muted. The happy people with the large shoe, it just looks like they go together. Thank you so much for taking your time to listen to me and reviewing my ad. Thank you.